Welcome to Sudeep Tech Learning YouTube channel, and today in this video we are going to see how you can download your Form 1 and 14, that is the land record search on using the Goa Online website. So all your records which are there on the Goa Online website, you can download it, land records, and very simple procedure. You have to just do what I am telling and do your payment, and you will within 2 to 3 days you will get your land revenue certificate, that is your Form 1 and 14. So simply this website, as you all know, I have already done many videos on various services. You can check out them. You can subscribe to our channel and take benefits of many other videos which are there. Now simple procedure, what you can do is, you can see here there is an option view services. So very first thing, you have to go here on services and select on all services. So all the services which are there, that will be shown up something this way. You can see here there are many services, but since we want Form 1 and 14 or any other services that you want, there is a search box over here. So on this search box you can search whatever service that is, if it is available it will directly show up. So for example, I have typed here Form 1 and 14, and you can see here the Form 1 and 14 which is that it is showing over here. So simply it will coming under the revenue department, so it is showing here. So simply we have to click on that. So after we click on it, we will be opening this. It will show the procedure to apply. It is a very simple procedure. I will show you all live how it can be done. The designated officials, and if you want to download the copy and you have to apply it offline, you can also apply it offline. So that download the application form which is there, it is available over here. You can download it from there. Okay, if you want to go online, do this online, you can click on proceed to apply. So when you click on proceed to apply, first thing you have to register. If you are already registered, you can directly log in. Now it is very easy to register. Other videos I have already shown it. If you all want a detailed video on how to register on this website, you can put down in the comment section. I will make that soon. Then yes, after this you have to simply log in. When you log in, since you had already clicked on Form 1 and 14, it will directly redirect to us here. This is the application, how you are going to fill it. Now what you have to do is, you have to you don't have to fill this will be auto filled, because you would have already filled it during the registration time. So this will be auto filled. Applicant mobile number and email ID will be auto filled. Then you have to enter your district, whether it is North Goa, South Goa, then the taluka, which taluka you belongs to. After that, you have to enter the survey number or the PT sheet number which is there. These things are very important. This should be knowing. You should be having old copy of yours, or you would be knowing something about your Form 1 and 14. Then you have to enter your village or whatever town, the subdivision or the chalta number which is there, that you have to enter, and simply enter this code which is there shown here. And after that you can here there is an option, click on preview. So you have to click on preview over here, and it will show you the preview of it. Okay, so let me show you all how the preview actually looks like. So this is how, after you click on the preview, underneath that only the preview of the Form 1 and 14 you can actually see. So if you just only want to see your land record, you can see. It doesn't cost you anything. It is absolutely free to see how your Form 1 and 14. But in case you want to download it, okay, you can also download it free, but your watermark which is there for information only, so this becomes invalid if you want to attach it to anywhere. Okay, this is just for viewing purpose. You can download it from, but if you want an original digitally signed copy by the Mamledar, then what you have to do is, you have to click over here. That is what I am going to show you. So you have to pay, and then you can get it. So I will click on pay and apply here. So once you do that, it will redirect you to the payment gateway, and this is how it ends. You have to see, it is showing the amount of what you have to pay. Then I have to click on this. After you click on, then again it will show the confirmation. You have to click on confirm here. Then there are many options. I have selected one of the option, that is through debit card. There are many other options also how you can do the payment. So yes, after adding all the details, you can simply click on pay. So once your payment is done, you will get an e-receipt here. You can print this e-receipt and keep for the future reference. Okay, after this everything is done, your application will get submitted. Then You have to wait for around 2 days, and you will then get an email, whatever email is, that your submission has been successful. You also get an message, SMS, saying that your submission is successful, and you can now download it. So what you can do is, again you have to log in. Now the login credential which is there, you can log in. So you can see I have already logged in, and after that you have to go into inbox and click on applications. Now when you click on application, all the applications that you had already registered for, you will get it over here. Then what you can do is, next part you have to select whatever the thing which, for example, now form 1 and 14 which are field, you can track all the status. So that status means how it is formed, where it is already for. Then the download option is over here. Here you can download it. So this is the last step, you have to just download it from here. So this is how it looks like, the form 140. I have just blurred it for privacy reasons. So yes, this is a fully original copy. That is how you can get it offline. This is an original copy that you get anywhere, you can use it afterwards. Okay, so yes, this is very simple procedure. This is the way how you can get your form 1 and 14 downloaded online very easily. Okay, within 2 days you will get your form 1 and 14. So yes, this is what our video was for today. If you have benefited from this video, please hit a like, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel for more other interesting video. Until then, we'll meet next time. Thank you.